So now we're going to just look at how we adjust the cables themselves. So as we say, ideally you want about an inch gap before the machine starts to creak forward. If you're not getting any drive when the machine's closed, we can obviously go the opposite way to put more tension on. So if we follow the cable, activation cable down, we've got a threaded adjuster here. And if we continue to follow the cable, it goes into the side guard, and we've got additional threaded adjustment under there. So if we just look at taking that side guard off, we can also just see the actual activation of the belts as well, while we've got the cover off. So we've got our drive belt here for our rear roller. This is our cable coming in from our bail bar. We've got the threaded adjuster, and then as we bring in the bail bar, you can see that's just activating our tensioner. We've also got a spring there as well, just taking up a lot of the tension. So for the cable adjustment, so if we need to put less cable adjustment on, we just need to slacken these two locking nuts. So with two 13mm spanners, and then if we want to put more tension on, we need to reduce this side. And then we need to basically move the tensioner in that direction to put more tension on. If we wanted to put less tension on, so if our drive's too aggressive, for example, we need to bring the adjuster this way, which is basically moving the tensioner off drive. Once we're happy with that, we just need to lock them back up. So a little bit of trial and error at first, just to make sure you're happy with how it's activating at the right position for you, and also depending on what sort of conditions you're in as well. But once we're happy, we just lock them, not too tight, just literally just want to nip those up together, and that's our height, our belt setting changed. And then again, over time, those belts will begin to stretch, wear, bed in, so further cable adjustment will be required in the future.